Good morning students. In this video we are going to learn how to reduce a fraction in its lowest terms. First we will learn it by common factor. So let's start and try to understand it with the help of an example. Here I have taken a fraction that is 18 upon 36. 18 is a numerator and 36 is a denominator. Now we will find a common factor for these two numbers. So 2 is the common for 18 and 36. So first we will divide both the numbers by 2. Divide 18 by 2, you will get 9. Then divide 36 by 2, you will get 18. Now the fraction is 9 upon 18. We can reduce it again. Now 3 is common for these two numbers. So first you will divide 9 by 3. You will get 3. And divide 18 by 3. You will get 6. So now the fraction is 3 upon 6. Again we can reduce it. So now again 3 is the common for both. So divide 3 by 3. You will get 1. And divide 6 by 3. You will get 2. So the lowest term for this fraction is 1 upon 2. Let's take one more example. 9 is the numerator, 27 is the denominator. So 3 is common for these two numbers. So first we will divide 9 by 3. We will get 3. And we will divide 27 by 3. We will get 9. Again we can reduce it. So 3 is the common for both the numbers. So divide 3 by 3, you will get 1. And when you will divide 9 by 3, you will get 3. So now 1 upon 3 is the lowest term for this fraction. Now one more example is here, that is 20 upon 32. So for 20 and 32, 4 is common factor. So we will divide by 4. You will divide 20 by 4, you will get 5. Then you will divide 32 by 4, you will get 8. Now we can't reduce it more. So the lowest term for 20 by 32 is 5 upon 8. Then one more example is there. 12 upon 20. Now you have to find out the common factor for these two numbers. Again 4 is the common factor for both the numbers. So divide 12 by 4, you will get 3. And divide 28 by 4, you will get 7. Now you can't reduce these two numbers. That means 3 upon 7 is the lowest term for 12 upon 28. Now the another method for converting into lowest term is divide by the HCF. In this you have to take the HCF of both the numbers 18 and 36. So the HCF of 18 and 36 is 18 itself. So now you will divide by the HCF. You will divide by the 18. So when you divide 18 by 18, you will get 1. And when you divide 36 by 18, you will get 2. So the lowest term for this fraction is 1 upon 2. Then see one more example. 9 upon 27. 9 upon 27, the HCF for these two numbers is 9. So you will divide by 9. When you divide 9 by 9, you will get 1. And when you will divide 27 by 9, you will get 3. That means 1 upon 3 is the lowest term for this fraction. Here now the next example is 20 upon 32. For these two numbers, 4 is the HCF. First you have to take out HCF in rough. I am not taking out it here, but by following this method you have to find out the HCF. So the HCF for 20 and 32 is 4. So now we will divide it by 4. You divide 20 by 4, you will get 5. And when you will divide 32 by 4, you will get 8. So 5 upon 8, it is the lowest term. Here also, for these two numbers, the HCF is 4. So we will divide 12 by 4, we will get 3. And we will divide 28 by 4, we will get 7. That means the lowest term for a 12 upon 28 is 3 upon 7. So students, I explained you two methods. First is divide by common factor and the another is divide by the HCF. Now it's your wish which method is comfortable for you. The HCF method is time taking because you have to find out the HCF also, and in common factor method is less time taking. So which you feel comfortable, you can follow that method. Thank you.